and you've got problems, just point out on the back where you've got those problems. Oh, right in the across there.
Yeah.
Right, okay. And how long for?
12 years.
12 years, right, Raewyn. All you've got to do is stem there. See, it's easy your bit, isn't it? All you've got to do is stem.
Okay.
Right. Any doctors here today? Any doctors in the audience? No. They don't come and see me, which is really interesting. So the surgeon is sending energy into this part of the body. He's sending it in. It's almost like a triangle, but with a curved bottom. And he's just said to me gridlock. So in terms of energy, there's just been a blocked energy in Raewyn's back. Now just try moving around, see how that feels.
I can feel so much energy going into my back. It was incredible. I've never felt anything like that. It feels so warm there because it's always cold.
Right, now walk around a bit.
God, it makes such a difference. I can't believe it.
Right. Is there anything you couldn't do before that gave you pain?
I still manage to do things, but the next day, if I do, like, even quarter of an hour gardening, I'm in bed for the day. The next
That's
day.
no good. No, that's release now, I think. Yeah, I
Okay.
think you're all done, my dear.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
It's huge.
Good.